Hi, I'm going to be showing you how to do some simple Rubik's Cube patterns. So the first one is the checkerboard. So it's super easy. It's the first one I learned. So turn the middle part 2 times. Turn this middle part 2 times. Turn this middle part 2 times. And you're done. It's super easy and it looks super cool. Okay. The next one is the dot pattern. Put one middle down, the other one middle back up, and the other one back up. A lot of people know this, so this is one of the most well-known patterns by non-cubers. So the third one is a super flip. So you do middle side up, U, up, top to the left, up, top to the left, up, top to the left. Repeat that like 4 times. Repeat it until it's like this, and then turn it down and turn it like this, and then repeat it. Turn it down, turn it this way. And now you got the super flip. It's so beautiful. So the next one is the 4 crosses pattern. So you turn this 2 times, turn this 2 times, turn this 2 times, turn the front 2 times, turn the back 2 times, turn the bottom layer 2 times, turn the left side 2 times, turn the right side 2 times, turn the front side 2 times, and turn the back side 2 times. It's so beautiful that there's a cross. It's kind of like the checkerboard pattern. You can just undo it. Okay. The next one is a cube in a cube in a cube. So you turn U prime. You can follow along with the moves I do. U prime, L prime, U prime, F prime, R2, B prime, R, F, U, B2, U, B prime, L, U prime, F, U, R, F prime. And now you got your beautiful cube in a cube in a cube. So I don't know how to undo it, so I'm just gonna scramble it and solve it for your entertaining. Okay, now the next one is this one. I think I made this up, but I don't know. It's the checkerboard, but only on 4 sides. I think it's 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 sides. Okay. Turn the right 2 times, top 2 times, left 2 times, bottom 2 times. Repeat that. Until you got your 2 checkerboard. But I think what you can do, oh, I just solved it. So what you can do is turn it into a 4-sided one. It starts as a 2-sided one, but and now you got your 4-sided one. And now you have to line, it's a pattern. I don't think you can classify it as a pattern. So the next one flips the corners. So you can follow along with my moves. U, B, D prime, F2, D, B prime, U prime, R2, D, F2, D prime, R2, D, F2, D prime, R2. And now you twisted a corner without even twisting it. Of course the other one's twisted, but you twisted a corner without even twisting it. U, B prime, D prime, F2, D, D prime, U prime, R2, D, F2, D prime, R2, D, F2, D prime, R2. Did I just flip more corners? Never mind. I'm just gonna do a solve. Okay. I hope you liked my video. Like and subscribe. Bye.